Have you ever slept for 8 hours, woken up, and still felt exhausted? You tell yourself, maybe I just need more sleep. So the next night, you sleep even longer. But somehow, nothing changes. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people feel tired every single day, and surprisingly, sleep isn't always the problem. In fact, sometimes you're not physically tired at all. You're mentally exhausted. Think about how your day begins. Before your feet even touch the floor, you grab your phone. Messages, emails, social media, news, notifications. Within 5 minutes of waking up, your brain has already processed more information than people saw in an entire day just a few decades ago. And the day hasn't even started. Your brain never gets a chance to breathe. Then comes work. Deadlines, meetings, decisions, more notifications, more messages, more things demanding your attention. Most people think tiredness comes from working too much, but often it comes from constantly switching your attention. Every time you stop one task to check your phone, answer a message, or open another app, your brain pays a small mental cost. By the end of the day, those tiny costs become exhaustion. Then there's another problem. We rarely give ourselves real rest anymore. Watching videos, scrolling social media, playing games. These feel relaxing, but your brain is still consuming information. Real rest is different. It's taking a walk, reading a book, sitting quietly for a few minutes, doing absolutely nothing. And that's something many of us almost never do. Another hidden reason? Stress. Your body doesn't know the difference between escaping a lion and worrying about bills. Both activate the same stress response. If your brain believes you're constantly under pressure, your body never truly relaxes, even while you're sleeping. That's why some people wake up already feeling tired. Then there's sleep quality. 8 hours isn't always 8 hours. If you're looking at bright screens before bed, drinking too much caffeine late in the day, or sleeping at different times every night, your brain struggles to enter deep, restorative sleep. So you spend enough time in bed without getting the kind of sleep your body actually needs. But here's something people rarely talk about. Sometimes you're tired because your life feels repetitive. Wake up, go to work, come home, watch something, sleep, repeat. When every day feels exactly the same, your brain loses excitement. And without excitement, everything feels heavier. So, what can you actually do? You don't need to completely change your life overnight. Start small. Don't check your phone the first 30 minutes after waking up. Go outside for 10 minutes every morning. Move your body, even if it's just a short walk. Drink water before coffee. Turn off unnecessary notifications. And before buying another energy drink, ask yourself this question. Am I actually tired, or is my brain simply overloaded? Because those are two very different problems. The truth is, being tired isn't always about sleep. Sometimes it's about how you spend your attention. Your energy follows your attention. Protect one, and you'll improve the other. If this video made you see your tiredness differently, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.